baths are two natural body care methods that have been used for centuries to promote relaxation, detoxification, and skin health. These methods can be easily incorporated into a self-care routine and provide a natural alternative to chemical-laden products. However, it is important to be aware of any allergies or skin sensitivities and to stay hydrated when using these methods. With proper care and attention, salt baths and mud baths can provide a relaxing and rejuvenating experience for the mind and body. Natural remedies and care using readily available materials like salt, mud, and herbs have been around for millennia. Salt baths and mud baths are timeless therapies for skin and body health, relaxation, and detoxification. The minerals and nutrients in these natural elements nourish and rejuvenate our bodies when used properly. For a salt bath, dissolve about 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt or Dead Sea salt in warm water in your bathtub. Epsom salt contains magnesium sulfate that helps relax muscles, while Dead Sea salt is rich in minerals that nourish the skin. Soaking in the salty water allows these ingredients to be absorbed through the skin. A good soak for 15 to 20 minutes helps soften and exfoliate skin, soothes sore or aching muscles, reduces fluid retention, and improves circulation. The salt helps open pores to extract toxins more easily. After a salt bath, your skin feels softer, firmer, and healthier with reduced signs of aging. For best results, create an aromatherapy environment with candles and essential oils in your favorite fragrances. Or add a few drops of aromatherapy oils like lavender, eucalyptus, or peppermint directly into the water for additional benefits. Lavender oil has soothing and relaxing properties, while eucalyptus and peppermint oil help decongest respiratory passages and sinuses. A hot salt bath right before bed prepares you for a good night's sleep and relieves muscle tension. To prepare a mud bath, get organic mud or clay from a reputable source. Ideally use red or white volcanic clay from Dead Sea mud, which has the highest concentration of beneficial minerals. Mix 1 to 2 cups of mud in warm water and stir until it forms a thick paste. Apply the mud all over your wet skin and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. The heat and clay residue loosen impurities and toxins in your pores while drawing them out. Mud baths moisturize dry skin, tighten pores, and reduce fine lines and wrinkles while nourishing the skin with minerals. The negative ions in the mud relax muscles and nerves while detoxifying and balancing skin pH levels. Minerals in the clay also help strengthen connective skin tissues and boost blood circulation for an overall rejuvenating effect on the body and mind. Take a warm shower to gently rinse off all of the mud, then apply a moisturizing lotion to seal in the benefits. For maximum effect, combine salt with mud treatments for a mineral-rich bath experience. Add 1 to 2 cups of Epsom or Dead Sea salt to the warm water and apply the volcanic mud after soaking for 10 minutes in the salty water. The minerals in both ingredients work synergistically to deeply nourish and detoxify your body cells through osmosis.